I'm sure you've heard the news. Cows can be chill and foxes are sly and goats, well, they climb anything. Ready to crown a backyard champion? Let's get into our head-to-head showdown. Round 1. Strength: a draft horse, a bison. Horsepower for work. Bison for raw mass. Bison wins the heavy lift flex. Speed round: a racing rooster. Nice, but a wild pronghorn leaves the farm in the dust. Smarts and tricks. Pigs are genius, but raccoons bring unmatched problem-solving finesse. Defense: sheep flocking. Cute, a wild porcupine's quills say otherwise. Surprise factor: goats will eat your garden. Coyotes will plan dinner. Bottom line: farm animals excel at cooperation and usefulness. Wild animals win for survival and adaptation. No contest necessary. Both sides are champions in their own arena.